Hello children, now today we shall be starting with a new exercise 6.3 children, okay, and okay, with question number 1, which is having the basic properties which we will be using, okay, by the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite two interior angles. Sum of the interior angle is 180 degree, is a physics theorem. Now looking to that, taking that in mind, let's start with the first one. Find the value of the unknown x, the following, okay, 50 plus x plus 60. I need to find the x here. The sum of the angle of the triangle is 180 degree. Sum of the angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Angle A is x, D 50, C 60. 50 plus 60 is 110. Side chain, 180 minus 110 is 70 degree. So x is equal to 70 degree children. Second one, PQR, angle P is 90. This symbols suggest that is a 90 degree. 30x, 90, P is 90, Q is 30, R is x, 90 plus 30 is 120. Side chain, 180 minus 120 is 60. Same. Angle x, y, z is equal to 180. Angle x is 30, y is 110, z is x. 30 plus 10 is 110, 140. 30 plus 110 is 140. Side chain, 180 minus 140 is children 40 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 40 degree. Next one, fourth. Okay, 50 plus x. X plus x is 2x, which is equal to 180. Side chain, 180 minus 50 is 130. Multiply, divide by 2. 130 divided by 2 is 65. 65, x is equal to 65 degree is the answer. Fifth one, all the angles are equal. Isosceles equilateral triangle, so all the angles are equal. X plus x is 180. X plus x, 3 times x is 3x. Multiply the divide. 3 1 are 3, 60 is that. So x is equal to 60 degree. Now here, x plus 2x plus 90 is equal to 180. X plus 2x is 3x plus 90 is equal to 180. Side chain, 180 minus 90 is 90. 3 multiply by the divide में जाएगा. 3 1 3, 30 का 3 3 9 होता है ना बेटा. So 3 1 3, 3 9 0 है. 3 30 is 90. 3 30 is 90. So x is equal to 30 degree. Next question, find the values of the unknowns x and y both here, okay, in the following diagrams. Now this is the diagram x 50, y 120 as suggested before also. Okay, exterior angle is equal to the sum of the interior angle. So 50 plus x is equal to 120, or 50 plus x is equal to 120. Side chain, 120 minus 50 is 70 degree. Therefore x is 70 degree. Now, okay, I need to find the y. Okay, अब y फाइंड करने के दो मेथड है बेटा. या तो मैंने क्या किया कि भाई 150 plus x plus y, added all the three. 50 plus 70 is 120 plus y is 180. Side chain 120 minus 120 is 60. Or another method is what? Y plus 120 is equal to 180. Supplementary angle होता है. Supplementary angle होता है. Okay. Adjacent angle is equal to supplementary angle. Adjacent angle is equal to supplementary angle. Side chain 180 minus 120 is 60. Okay, so let us write here. 180 minus 120 is. Okay, I'll just write here. 180 minus 120 is 60. ठीक है बेटा? Either do this method or you can do this method also. Okay, children? I think that would be a shorter one. Let's come back to this. Next one. You can see this is a vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite there. This is 80. Y should also be 80 vertically opposite angle. What is the meaning? X. So x plus y plus 50 Okay, y is what? 80. 80 plus 50 is 130. Side chain, sine chain. 180 minus 130 is 50 degree. 180 minus 130 is 50 degree. Next, this one. Okay, here also पहले triangle का find करो. Okay, 50 plus 60 plus y is 180. Okay, 50 plus 60 is 110. Side chain, sine chain. 180 minus 110 is 70. Okay. Now here either you can add these two. 50 plus 60 is 110. तो मुझे x मिल जाएगा. Or you can do like this also, or just write or here. जैसे मैंने यहाँ बताया था. Okay, which was x plus y is equal to 180. Y I have found as 70. Okay, y is equal to 180 minus 70, which is 110. Okay, which is sorry here, which is x here. Okay, x I need to find children. Okay, y is given as 70. Y is given as 70. Okay, side chain, sine chain. So 180 minus 70 is 110, which we have got here also. Whatever you like, you can opt for that method. Okay, I'll explain again, children. What I have done first, 50 plus 60 is plus y. The whole triangle is 180 degree. 50 plus 60 is 110. Side chain, 180 minus 110 is 70. Y की value will be 70. Okay. One of the method what I have done, x is equal to 50 plus 60 because exterior angle is equal to sum of the interior two angles, opposite interior angles. 50 plus 60 is 110. ये भी करो तो भी चलेगा. और x plus y which is 180. x की वैल्यू मुझे फाइंड करनी है. y की वैल्यू I have found out. Side chain, sine chain. 180 minus 70 is 100. Fourth one. You can find here just vertically opposite angle. X is equal to 16. Now this is 16. Sum of this angle is 180 degree. 30 plus 60 plus y. 30 plus 60 is 90. Side chain, sine chain. 180 minus 90 is 90 degree. Therefore y is equal to 90 degree. Same way here. Y is equal to 90 degree. Vertically opposite angle. X plus y. X plus x is 2x. Y is equal to 90 degree, which is equal to 180 degree. Side chain, sine chain. 180 minus 90 is 90. 2 multiply में तो divide में जाएगा. 2 1 2 45 is 90. 2 1 2 45 is 90. Okay, वापस एक बार देखो बेटा. Y is equal to 90. X plus x is 2x plus y is equal to 180. 2x हो गया ये. Okay, y is 90. Side chain, sine chain. 180 minus 90 is 90. 2 multiply में divide में जाएगा on the other side. 2 1 2 45. Last one. Now here x in external angle दिए हुए हैं. Now this vertically opposite angle x is equal to y. Vertically opposite angle. Now what I have done? इधर को मैंने 1 और 2 एंगल दे दिए हैं. Okay. Now अगर ये x है तो ये भी x होगा. ये x है तो ये भी सेम एंगल होगा. Okay. Now what I have done? Angle y plus angle 1 2 is equal to 3. दोनों सेम हो जाएंगे. So I have marked as 3 angle x. यानी angle x 3 times हो जाएगा. Angle x पे कितना बार हो जाएगा बेटा? 3 times. ये x है तो ये x होगा. If this is x, this should also be x. If this is x, this should also be x. Okay. What I suppose? Angle y plus angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 3 times x. बराबर? 3 times x multiply is equal to 180. Multiply divide by 3 was 3. Therefore angle x and angle y both are equal to 60 degrees. Okay, children. Hope you have liked this video. Hope you have understood what I have been explaining. Okay. Thank you.